Have you ever wondered, why do we yawn? And why is it so contagious that when one person yawns, everyone else starts yawning too? Let's find out. A yawn is a reflex when we open our mouth wide, take in a deep breath of air, and then slowly exhale. It usually happens when we're tired, bored, or even just after waking up. Part 2. Why do we yawn? Scientists believe yawning helps cool down our brain. When the brain gets overheated or tired, a deep yawn brings in cool air, making us feel more alert and awake. Part 3. Why is yawning contagious? Yawning is also contagious. This happens because of mirror neurons in our brain. These neurons make us copy other people's actions. It's the same reason why we smile when we see someone else smiling. Part 4. Fun facts. Even animals yawn. Dogs, cats, and even lions do it. Some scientists think yawning also helps with social bonding in groups. The voice you selected does not support this language. Please click the upper right corner to switch to another voice. Close in and call to action. So next time you yawn, remember your brain is just cooling down. And if you yawned while watching this video, don't worry, that's completely normal. If you enjoyed learning something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts.